the influence of barley, malt, and hops. Logic spreads the word like the orthodox and girls who talk a lot. Exposing your backside like halter tops. It is your out. Study up on your Hindu. You don't want beef with a mad cow. L adds the insult to injury just to rub it in. Backwards. Up or down, but it's up to them to readjust. They pick pen style, eating, sleeping, and breathing dust. Need to reconstruct. I would've eased it up, but it's a simple case with thought on. Save for the immature, pimple-faced oxymorons. The wise men throwing Heisman pose, forearms, attackers. Coming soon to a city near you, like franchised Atticus. Who's using a golden abacus to keep track of the snakes who try to battle us? Making maracas out of rattlers. L, be catching amateurs, careers like hungry managers. Feeding them sucker MC sandwiches, delivered by the sensei. And technological damages via webpage, covered top to bottom like a lay with daily essays.
Verbal assault, rhymes triple through the mix. I'm super duper with the rhymes I invent. Verbal assault, rhymes triple through the mix.
Nah, still son, it's logical.
Nowhere flows, stop careers like they got the trail. That's why these little dogs say, yo, kiddo, logic L. See, Mr. Lewis, fresh stool sewage is not for sale, it's priceless. Kids is digging through cesspools, looking for my. The odds that you would find it are about half as small as midgets scoring double digits. In professional basketball, I catch it all like Golden Gloves and eavesdroppers after all. So sure hit, forfeit, and sure me playing Saboteur. Even if he'll be button, the veteran now scoops something. But like porn actresses, never can tell when he's you're faked out, following the decoy and the stakeout. Missed the chance to flip like a closed down pancake house. I break out electrically and boogaloo too. The modern day b-boys spots old and told them they shoulda knew. This takeout MC delivery is good for you, like finding pots of gold in an Irish hooker's shoe.